I don't know if it's just a phase I'm in right now, or maybe it's from my experiences in the past few years being a caregiver. I am no longer interested in fitness in the same way I was before. I'm not caring about how I look to other people or in jeans or being cute. I'm definitely not wanting to get on stage to compete in a bodybuilding show. My husband is training and he's going to hit the stage again this year, but I'm just not there. I'm more inspired and motivated to age with my capacities, meaning my full abilities and freedom and independence, which means I'll need to stay flexible and energized to be able to live life the way that I want to. I want to be able to get on planes for 16 hours and my back not hurt, my butt not hurt. I want to be able to get there, unpack, and then still go for a hike or hours of sightseeing by foot, walking distances to see all the things and go to all the places. I want to be able to kayak and stand up paddleboard. I want to be able to wipe my own butt and give myself my own showers and have all the abilities and energy and flexibility to not hurt myself or be careful of where I'm going because I'm physically limited. And so that's where I'm at now. And it could change. I might want to get cute and get on stage again or be a size 2, but that's just not me right now. And if it's not you either, and you're more concerned about health, energy, and capability, flexibility, then I hope you join me in my private group and we could do this together. It's graduation season, it's vacation season, it's chill and rest summer season, it's gardening season, it's even family season. Every season has a set of responsibilities which are all really important to us. But we've been on this planet far too long to know that balance is key, and we have to stop hiding behind distractions, responsibilities, and excuses in order to make progress. In the Mother's Day Mothering Myself Challenge we had last month, we practiced prioritizing self-nurturing and making time for our own needs. June's Global Wellness Challenge is a continuation of this practice with a heavier focus on our physical health. It does no good to us to be super spiritual or really smart while we let our body fall apart. It is our vehicle, our vessel to carry out our spiritual practices and create experiences for our mental and emotional well-being. When the body is sick, suffering, or low energy, it affects our mental and spiritual health. It's just 15 minutes a day for 5 days. It's taken me longer than that just to write this email, make this post, record this video. In last month's challenge, we talked about how we treat ourselves is how our subconscious mind evaluates our own value and worth. And our inner child is also watching. Do we put others before ourselves? How much effort and time do we give to others versus ourselves? Do I treat others better than I treat my own self? I want my family and friends to live and love healthy and strong lives, but do I take my own advice? If not, what message and belief does my subconscious mind and inner child now have about my value and worth? Confidence is not skin deep. There are many gorgeous women out there who have low self-esteem. Confidence is based on self-value and self-worth, cultivated by following through on our goals, dreams, and promises we make to ourselves. Confidence is not based on what others think about our hair, makeup, our clothes size, or how we play a character for the public eye and on camera. It's definitely not based on whether someone loves me or if I have a partner. It's based on a relationship that I have with myself. Are you ready to love yourself in this way? The Reclaim Your Energy, Restore Your Light Challenge starts on June 10th. I hope you join me, and thank you to the 4 people out there who've already signed up. I'm excited to do this together. Sign up now on naz.io/luminous-soul/challenges/global-wellness. Sending you so much love. This is Clemence Lefreitas.